3 ways how to anonymize data locally on your laptop or on the server. First, just run a small large language model and tell it to anonymize any data that has personally identifiable names, numbers, addresses, whatever. You can use GPT-4 OSS, you can use something much smaller, such as a 1.5, the DeepSeek model, or whichever you want. Second option, use Microsoft Presidio. This is a library that you can also just run locally. You don't even need any graphics card, and it will just identify any personally identifiable data, such as here you can see it in the date, time, the person, and the email address. Third option is to use some named entity recognition library, such as spaCy. spaCy does much more than just named entities, but this one you can also just run on your own, and it will find out stuff like names, addresses, company names, and such. So for this one, you will need some kind of graphics card normally to run a large language model. For this one and spaCy, you don't. However, if you have, it's faster. And it's still like rather computationally intensive. So you cannot just run it on any small server for a lot of users. However, if you run it on your own normal consumer machine, it should definitely work, especially if you don't care about latency, right? If you can wait a minute to anonymize all the text in your Microsoft Word document, then definitely Presidio and spaCy is a good option for you. We at DentroAI always think about how to make sure data stays secure. If you have a business case in mind where you want to use data and don't want that anybody can know about it while still using AI, message us at DentroAI.com.